Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this session we will talk about NB Diploma, which is the new course got launched this year only, and the first counseling is yet to happen. We will talk about the expected cutoff marks for NB Diploma for all 8 branches branch wise. Before we start with the videos, if you are new to the channel, I urge you to subscribe the channel because it's a great platform for NEET PG related any data you need for counseling, last year data and all the updates. So you can get it subscribed and click on the bell button. And for paid counseling services, I will tell you, we as a part of NB NEET Mentor, we provide the paid services, and currently we are giving a discount of 20% on availing paid services, which will be available for another few days. And we provide the paid services for DNB, MD, MS, PG courses for government and private both colleges, NB Diploma Counseling and CPS, FCPS. And the day you avail the service, and starting from that day until you get your desired branch in defined preference, we remain connected with you, and we send you the details and updates on WhatsApp, emails, and through phone calls. You can call anytime to resolve your queries, and we will provide all the relevant informations. The best advantage of getting the paid services, you can do the counseling on your own as well if you have good rank. But in case your rank is not that good and you are doubtful how to approach to the counseling process to get the best possible result in least budget, so you have to avail the paid services and you will get best possible result out of the counseling process in your defined rank which you get after result is announced. And it will be expert counseling. You won't repent after the counseling process is done, or someone who has got equal rank to you, after you compare after the counseling is done, you won't see that you could have get better option through the counseling process. That's why. And there is no risk of year wastage. If you want admission to be done in the same year in your rank, we will tell you what are the possibilities, and with the possibilities you can get when the counseling process starts. So let's get started and jump to the main section of the video. So there are totally 8 branches launched as part of NB Diploma, and the counseling for this 2 years diploma course will be conducted separately by NBE. It won't be clubbed in the other counseling process. MCC is going to conduct the counseling process both for All India quota deemed universities as well as DNB. So this is changed from the last year. But talking about NB Diploma, particularly 2 years diploma course, NB is going to conduct the counseling process, and it will happen separately. Since this is the first time NB is going to conduct all this process, so the chances are there that candidates will be little cautious before choosing the branch. But if you see the hospitals where we have got the seat approved, those are good hospitals, and that's why it will be demanding, even though it's first time the course is going to get launched. And there are 8 branches you can see on the screen: radio diagnosis, pediatrics, TB and chest, obs-gynae, ophthalmology, ENT, anesthesia and family medicine. And we have looked at the expected cutoff score and cutoff rank. So if you're looking for DMRD, radio diagnosis diploma branch, then you can expect to get radio diagnosis up to rank of 10,000. The region is the fee is very less, is equivalent to DNB, and you need to have a score around 500, 480 to 500 for radio diagnosis. For pediatrics, you can expect, if you have a score, you should target the score around 440 or 450, and in rank of 20 to 25,000. See, the rank will play a better role once the examination is done and result is announced. So based on the rank you got, you can make the calculation, but for now you should go as per the score. So score is more important as of now. I have given the rank as well. So once you watch this video after result is announced, it will be still meaningful. TB and chest you can get in a score of 430 to 440. Obs gynae in a score of 425 to 430. Ophthalmology 415 to 420. Anesthesia, if you have a score around 410 to 415, you can expect a seat in anesthesia 2 years NB diploma. ENT between 415 to 420. Family medicine 400 to 405. So you need to have a score of at least 400 out of 800, 50% of score you need to achieve in order to secure a seat as per our analysis and expectation based on the paper difficulty level, whether it's easy or tough or moderate. The cutoff marks may change, and the expected cutoff score which is required to get a seat in particular branch in NB diploma will also change. But this is analysis done when the paper difficulty level is average, like last year. Then you can expect and you should target. If you're making target, then you should add 25 marks on top of what is given in the on the screen. So it will be safer for you. In case you slip off, you still land in the safe zone. So I will post one more video related to NB diploma, where I will discuss what is the seat matrix for all these 8 branches approved till now, and accreditation is still going on. Approval is still going on for some more branches in new or existing hospitals. Then I will update about that as well. But for now, in the next video, I will post you the seat matrix. So that's it from our side in this video. If you have any kind of suggestion, comment, or anything you want to convey us, you can either send a WhatsApp message, you can also comment in the comment section of the video, or you can call us for availing the paid services and any other specific queries. So thanks for watching and have a great day, and all the best for your preparation. Thank you.